I'm thinking this one I want to turn like this.
Oh, that's perfect, Luke.
I want to turn this one here. And then come off of it here and then there. You know what I mean? And make sure that we're like somewhat squared off here.
Yup.
You know what I mean?
Yup.
And then this last one's going to be right here.
This way.
You know what I mean? Turning that way, but this liner's going to be pulled up basically straight.
Can we come over here for this one? And then over here for this one?
No. You kind of can, but we like those angles are super aggressive because of the liner that we have. Because you got to think about your framers and then,
Okay.
and then the slope we have. So we almost have to like here, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Like this. And then like this, kind of.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I got you.
I just think about kind of leaning here. Looking at that.
Another rock. Oh, you're gonna lose this. Look, turn up. You're gonna lose it. It's a giant rock. I just don't want this falling on me.